One time, I was flying from Moscow, Russia to Kiev, Ukraine. I boarded the flight and the stewardess came up to me and said, "Welcome on board, sir. We guarantee takeoff." I asked her, "Landing, madam?" She said to me, "You're a monk, aren't you? Pray to the Lord Almighty for a safe landing." We all are aware that when we take a flight, the takeoff is completely beyond us. We can do nothing about the takeoff. It's completely in the hands of the pilot. And when it comes to landing, even the landing is completely beyond our control. It's in the hands of the pilot. Many times when I fly and there is a very smooth landing where we don't even come to know that the plane has landed, people give an ovation, a loud round of applause. I have not been an exception either. Of course, the only thing is we don't give a standing ovation because the seatbelt sign is still on. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the landing is also beyond our control. And what about the turbulence? The turbulence during the journey, during the flight, is also completely beyond us. The wind speed is beyond us. When the plane passes through the clouds and the entire plane becomes wobbly, it's not in our control. What is in our control during the flight is our choice. Some people choose to just go to sleep, yet others get completely drunk on alcohol. Some watch movies, some keep munching something, yet others make new friends, talk to others and network. Yes, what to do during that journey is in our control. In the journey of life as well, the takeoff, which is our birth, is completely beyond our control. We didn't choose our parents. We didn't choose which nation we were born in. We didn't choose which city we were born in. We didn't choose our socio-economic class we were born in. We didn't choose our looks. We didn't choose the religion we were born in. Our takeoff of the journey of life was completely beyond us. And the landing, death, even that will be completely beyond us. I've heard many times people telling me that they would just love to die by getting a massive heart attack and dropping dead. No trouble for them, no hospitalization, no tubes, no needles, no trouble caused to others. One shot, go. Now, no matter how much we might wish that, it's just beyond us. How we go and how the landing happens is completely beyond us. And what about the turbulence, the disturbances, the problems during the journey of our life? Some of them are within our control, which we can solve. But many problems and issues and the turbulence caused is completely beyond our control because it's caused by situations which are beyond us. It's caused by people who are beyond us. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, in this journey of life, the takeoff, the landing and the turbulence is not in our control. What is in our control, however, is the choices we can make. And therefore, spirituality is about learning how to make those right choices. When we learn to make those right choices, we learn to live a transformed, happy, fulfilled life despite all the turbulence and problems that are going on around us. It is said, when we are beautiful, it's God's gift to us. When we live our life beautiful, it is our gift to God. Therefore, being a male is a matter of birth. Being a man is a matter of age. Being a gentleman is a matter of choice. And as a corollary to that, being a female is a matter of birth. Being a woman is a matter of age. Being a gentlewoman is a matter of choice. Let us all take to spiritual wisdom, learn to make the right choices which are within our control, as our gift to God, and thus live our lives as thorough and perfect, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.